Remember Verasity? That crypto that once took the market by storm, dominating headlines, shaking up gaming, video, and the entire entertainment scene. Back then, everyone wanted a piece of it. But today, things have gone quiet. So what really happened to Verasity? Has it lost its spark, or is something massive brewing behind the scenes? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Verasity, where it's heading, what investors are missing, and why the next few months could change everything for this project. Starting with the project-specific info from the AMA summary. Verasity has partnerships with major publishers and a rewarded video player that integrates with platforms like YouTube and Twitch. They mentioned expanding their gaming portal and adding fiat gateways, which could increase adoption. The staking program offers 36.5% APY, which might attract long-term holders. The latest news mentions a BNB Smart Chain listing and an upcoming tokenomics update. These could be bullish as cross-chain support improves accessibility, and revised tokenomics might address supply concerns. The recent Binance Alpha airdrop and trading competition could drive short-term volume but may not sustain price. There's also mention of insider accumulation and lack of transparency in token distribution, which is a risk. Social sentiment from tweets shows the team is active, launching new features like fiat off-ramps and partnerships in the UAE. The community seems optimistic, especially with the upcoming tokenomics report. However, low social media presence compared to competitors could limit retail interest. Regulatory factors. The UAE partnership might provide a favorable environment, but the delayed airdrop due to legal reviews suggests regulatory scrutiny. Compliance with advertising standards using their POV tech could be a plus. And finally, come to think of it, a lot of investors have been talking about how Verasity is spam and how the investors have been wrecked because of the team having no transparency for a very long time. For me, I still feel like a lot can still be done with this project. The team hasn't even got into major exchanges. It needs a bit of money to be made for this project. And it seems to be working as great. If not, the price is going down. I remember when I started talking about Verasity, most investors keep telling me that Verasity isn't that good, that the project is failing, but I kept talking about it, and right now it seems like it's kind of happening. They don't make very good use of what they have. I think a lot of things can see after this project. This will be the end of what I'm saying. Now, let me get into the full details of Verasity for you that are interested in this project and see what this project is all about.
Programmatic advertising automates how brands reach their audience, placing ads where they'll have the most impact, efficiently and in real time. Every online ad you see is delivered by a seamless supply chain of actions. Programmatic advertising begins with brands that want to promote their products. By defining clear goals, whether it's reaching the right audience or boosting sales, they create targeted campaigns that are delivered across various online platforms. To meet their goals, advertisers rely on demand-side platforms, or else known as DSPs. They help ensure ads are delivered to the right audience at the right time. DSPs automatically bid on ad spaces in real time, using data to place ads where they'll make the most impact, ensuring that the right message reaches the right audience. Once DSPs process the campaign details, they hand the data over to supply-side platforms, known as SSPs. These platforms connect advertisers with publishers whose audiences align with the campaign goals. Supply-side platforms, or SSPs, act like marketplace managers for publishers. They connect with multiple DSPs to ensure publishers get the best deals for their ad space. By working with a wide range of advertisers and DSPs, SSPs help publishers maximize ad revenue, managing their available spaces with precision and efficiency. After SSPs find the right publishers, the next step is bidding through an ad exchange, a digital marketplace where ad space is auctioned in real time. Both DSPs and SSPs participate, bidding on available inventory. The highest bid secures the ad space, ensuring the ad reaches its intended audience. With the highest bid secure, the ad space is officially sold. The winning bid, which is essentially an ad, is now ready to move to the publisher's platform and reach the right audience. As the ad continues the journey through the programmatic pipeline, traveling seamlessly from the ad exchange to the publisher's platform, where it will be displayed to the publisher's audience. Publishers are websites, apps, or digital platforms that offer ad space within their content to advertisers. the same ad space that DSPs and SSPs bid for. By displaying these ads, publishers generate revenue and monetize their traffic. For example, a media site can host video ads within its content, giving advertisers the chance to reach the right audience while the publisher earns revenue from that ad space. As the process completes, the ad reaches its intended audience, delivering content that grabs attention and encourages interaction. Seamlessly served within the publisher's content, the ad engages the viewer, leading them to take action, whether it's clicking, viewing, or making a purchase. As the journey comes full circle, the programmatic advertising ecosystem keeps working behind the scenes, learning and optimizing with every ad served. This continuous feedback loop enables advertisers to fine-tune their strategies and helps publishers maximize their revenue. It's a real-time cycle of improvement, ensuring each ad reaches the right audience at the right time in the right place. This is the power of programmatic advertising.